Hey guys, very good morning and warm welcome to my YouTube channel Dr. Indu's Bio Neet with me Dr. Indumati Sonsundaram. On this channel with the very important chapter Human Physiology, we have already completed 2 episodes of Body Fluids and Circulation, and we've also completed 1 episode of the new chapter Excretion and Osmoregulation. For those who are viewing my channel for the first time, or for those who have not taken up the MCQ practice series of Human Physiology, the episode 19 to 21 is of Human Physiology. The link would be available in the description box. Kindly go through because, as you know, I again repeat, Human Physiology plays the topmost important unit of biology, Neet. So let's get started up with part 2 of Excretion and Osmoregulation with 10 MCQs. We have already completed part 1 with 20 MCQs. Question number 1. Which is wrongly matched? A. DCT, absorption of glucose. B. Bowman's capsule, glomerular filtration. C. Henle's loop, concentration of urine. D. PCT, absorption of sodium and potassium. So when you see the statement A, we know that absorption of glucose takes place in PCT and not DCT. So the wrong option match is option A. Question number 2. Part of kidney which acts as both entry and exit for renal artery, renal vein, lymph vessels, nerves and ureter. The only thing which acts as the entry and exit of all this is, yes, option D, hilus. Question number 3. Aquatic reptiles are dash and terrestrial reptiles are dash in nature. We just discussed in episode 21 with monoteleism, uricotelism and ureotelism, that very important mode of excretions. So aquatic animals of course is monotelic. So aquatic reptiles are also monotelic and terrestrial reptiles are uricotelic. So the right answer is option C. Question number 4. Choose the correct sequence about passage of urine. The passage of urine, the right option. First two are very easy to understand because it's completely the nephron where the urine is formed. Bowman's capsule, glomerulus, PCT, loop of Henle, DCT, collecting duct. So nephron, collecting duct, you have no confusion. The confusion now is from collecting duct whether it goes to renal papilla or from collecting duct it goes to renal calyx is the question. So we know the sequence is nephron, collecting duct, renal papilla, renal calyx, renal pelvis, ureter, urinary bladder, urethra is the passage of urine sequence. So the right option is C. Question number 5. Blood fraction remaining unchanged after circulation through kidney is. So the only thing that remain unchanged in our body is glucose and proteins because rest are all the excretory substances. Yes. So the right answer here is glucose and proteins remain unchanged after circulation through kidney. So we have already seen about the excretory organs and the different excretory organs of different phylums and examples in last episode. To test your knowledge if you are thorough with, here is the 6th question. A. Nephridia, B. Malpighian tubules, C. Protonephridia, D. Kidney. We need to match with the excretory organs of these animals. So it's very easy, straightforward question. Nephridia, of course, is the excretory organ of annelids. Leech is an annelid. A2. Malpighian tubules are excretory organs of cockroach. B5. So with this, you've got the right answer C. Because Nephridia, leech, Malpighian tubule, cockroach, Protonephridia, roundworms, and kidneys, shark. So C is the right option. Question number 7. Choose the correct statement. We need to choose which of the following statements are right. Multiple statements seems to be right. So let's analyze one by one. Statement 1. Kidney transplantation is the ultimate method at the stage where drug or dialysis do not help. Yes, this is the right statement because dialysis is only a temporary procedure till you get the donor. So kidney transplantation of course is the permanent and ultimate method when dialysis do not help. So statement 1 is right. Again, the transplantation rejection factor is lot while organ transplantation takes place, and to avoid the rejection or immune rejection problems by HLA matching, only close relatives are of course chosen. So statement 2 is also right. Statement 3, cyclosporin A is of course an immunosuppressive drug used in patients during kidney transplantation so that the rejection factor is minimized. Statement 4, yes, heparin and antiheparin both are used during hemodialysis because we need both clotting of blood as well as the anti-clotting factors for circulation of the blood. So now, giving a pause, we know all the 4 statements are right. So of course the answer is D because all 4 statements 1, 2, 3, 4 are right. Question number 8. Which of the following about urea is wrong? High concentration of urea of course is found in hepatic vein. Urea is one of the nitrogenous waste. Yes, on an average 25 to 30 gram of urea is excreted out per day, which is again a right statement. Presence of urea in blood is hematuria. No, this is wrong because presence of urea, yes, in blood is called uremia, and hematuria is presence of urine, right? Presence of blood in urine is called hematuria. So when the presence of urea in blood, it is called uremia and not hematuria, whereas hematuria means presence of blood in urine. So the wrong option is option D. Right? Question number 9. Which of the following is true? And it's all about urine excretion rate. We know the filtration rate, which is allowing rate minus the addition of the opposing rate, right? So the urine excretion rate is equal to filtration rate minus of reabsorption plus secretion. So option B is the right answer. Last question for today. Which one of the following statements in regard to the excretion by human kidney is right? So 4 statements again, and we need to choose the correct statement. A. Distal convoluted tubule is incapable of reabsorbing HCO3. No, this is the wrong statement because it is capable of reabsorbing bicarbonates. B. Nearly 99% of glomerular filtrate is reabsorbed by renal tubules. Yes, 99% of the glomerular filtrate are reabsorbed by PCT, which is a part of renal tubule. Okay, so we have already understood that B is the right statement, A is the wrong statement. Let's see why C and D are incorrect. Ascending limb of loop of Henle is impermeable to electrolytes, and D, descending limb of loop of Henle is impermeable to water. Now C and D are wrong statement because it's given the other way around. It's given ulta. Ascending loop of Henle is actually impermeable to water and permeable to electrolytes, whereas descending loop of Henle is permeable to water and impermeable to electrolytes. So both are given the other way around. So C and D is also wrong. So the only right statement here is B. With this, we come to the end of Excretion and Osmoregulation part 2 questions. I hope you have solved all the 10 questions right along with me. Subscribe to the channel to stay tuned for more and more MCQs of all the units. Thank you for your support. Please do not skip these videos because practice makes a man perfect. The more MCQs you solve, the more thorough you go with the Neet exam. Kindly like the videos and share with your friends to have a better practice for tomorrow's Neet. All the very best for Neet 2020. Good luck for your prelim exams. Stay tuned. Tomorrow let's get started up with a combo test on circulation and excretion. And my dear students, along with this, I'm also going to post the answer key for the revision test of morphology of flowering plants and anatomy of flowering plants along with tomorrow's test. All the best. Good luck. Good day. Bye-bye.